How to remove suggested on Messenger permanently. First of all, open up your settings. Now go to apps and app management. Now search for Messenger. Now go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now open up Messenger. Now select your ID. Now tap on not now. Now when you tap on search, you will see no other ID beside your own. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.